I wonder if the for sale sign means they're not serving breakfast.
Oh God, help wanted.
Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. We just got done running about 30 miles down the Cascade Lakes highway. Now we're here in Crescent, Oregon for breakfast. The Mohawk. Had such a great night last night. We just laughed our asses off, and it was really fun. Mohawk's got a for sale sign in front of it. I'm wondering, hopefully they're selling breakfast. 'Cause I'm hungry. So, plan today is to keep heading south for Crater Lake.
Where the hell are we?
Crescent.
Crescent, Oregon. Hit Crater Lake. It's going to be a good day. The weather's supposed to be nice. Looking forward to it. Alright, we just finished breakfast. Abel ran over to the Dollar General because he forgot everything he owns at home.
Everything.
Everything. He doesn't have sleeping pad, pillows, flip-flops, and we're just enjoying it too much, but I bet you he comes back with flip-flops and a pool floaty. Or I hope he does.
Yeah, I hope so.
Because it's funny. But
Floaty? Yeah, it's a whole 5.5 feet long. Yeah.
floaty and a flip-flop.
Some nice rubber flip-flops, some D-cell batteries, cold. Just find a Dollar General next to where you're camping, buy a $3 pillow, throw it away when you're done.
Nice score. He's gonna sleep better tonight.
I'm not as tall as you, so.
Looks like Abel's paying for everybody. I think Abel's paying for everybody. This place never gets old. Oh man, it's crazy up here. Love coming here. This place has my heart, man. You can picture like the Oregon Trail going through here, right?
Right. Yeah, that was.
Abel's resorted to
camera never fails me.
iPhone video. So good.
camp somewhere at Clear Lake that they went swimming in the lake. So I don't know where. Been too close to Abel's?
Huh? Splats.
I mean, cause like
I was like trying to
snow,
narrate
it
the
just doesn't
butterfly
translate.
event, and apparently I was just taking photos.
Well, great day today.
Yeah. What an ending.
butterfly rain.
I
Yeah,
feel-
what was it, like locusts?
I kind of feel like we should say a prayer for the butterflies.
We just
'Cause
slaughtered.
we just,
most.
Can we call them moths?
they might be extinct now.
I think those are moths.
There's some butterfly migration going on or something.
Yeah.
That was
Wow.
gnarly.
What a really fun 200 miles, you guys.
Clear Lake was amazing, like always.
Beautiful. Old friends, new
Old
friends.
friends, new
Old
roads.
friends and new roads. Cheers.
And maybe one new friend.
We're a welcoming bunch.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes. Just kidding.
Good
It
shit.
says
Call us out
old
like that.
friends and new roads. Get the fuck out of here, new guy.
You just have to be old. You qualify.
Oh, yeah, okay.
We're in the water.
Oh.
Man,
Every time it splashes up on a spot that ain't wet, yeah, it's like...
shocking. Perfect end to a hot day of riding. John's going in. Anyway, hope you guys have tuned in this far. Make sure to subscribe and like all that. Check out Circus Baramoto. He's been joining us on this trip, and it's just been great having him. So he's a good dude. It's been so much fun. Anyway, thanks for watching.